Hi friends, welcome back. Right now, my wife and I, we are here in the place where they make molasses. In English, you can say it's a sugar cane, and in Hindi it is गुड़. ये गुड़ है जो मेरे पंजाबी भाई लोग हैं जो पंजाब स्टेट से हैं, उनको ये एरिया पता होगा कि यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ये खुद बनाते हैं ये शुगर केन, मतलब गुड़ वगैरह और शक्कर वगैरह. तो मेरे दोस्तों, let me show you the place. My wife actually is in the premises already. She couldn't resist to see the big casseroles, a big kawali, big calderos where they make meet my wife. Hi. So what she's doing, she's
we are
trying
here to see physically the very big pan for sugarcane juice, and they are going to make into it's sugarcane molasses.
Yeah.
In Tagalog, it is how do you call panuncha? In Ilocano, it is tagapulo. Okay, so they're going to see. They will insert. Yeah, if they are ready here already. Okay, and then it will go here, and then the juice will set here, and later on they will transfer to that big, very big, gigantic. How do you call this one? Very big pan. Okay, I think we are going to buy now. I don't know how much, but according to Sergi, it is
70 per kg.
Yes.
And there is also shakkar, means like this.
This one, what we call shakkar, meaning to say it's already grinded.
Yeah.
Okay. But this one, there is fresh juice. It's still hot, actually it is hot. So, but I would prefer this one, and I will be the one to grind at home.
Wow.
Yeah. So, this is organic. This
Yes.
is fresh. Okay, it is not yet, how do you call that one, bleach. So, no chemical yet. Okay, so minerals are still intact. Okay, so we're going now to buy even 1 kg only. The beauty of India, especially in Punjab, that we can see all greeneries. There are vegetables there, and raspberry fruits, trees. Yes, and as you can see also, this is can you see that black chicken? All is black. Yes.
Friends, I don't know. I'm looking for my wife because of that sugar cane she was curious about. So she came to in the fields where there are sugar cane, and then old traditional kind of this clad kind of thing where they were baking sugar cane. I'm looking for my wife. Where is she? Oh, she is hiding. So
Yes, we are here in Chunni rice fields. It's how many hundreds of acres? It is. They are planting different kinds of crops. They plant like rice, corn, and different kinds of vegetables. And it's very nice. The sun is
setting. Wow, beautiful view.
Yeah. And actually, I just a little bit of scared because of these holes. Yes, and this is a stove for sugar cane juice cooking. They are making sugar, brown sugar here. Okay, and this is the chimney of this stove. This chimney is made out of combination of clay and carabao or buffalo dung. Okay, they mix together and then they
Wow.
just like that, because when during my childhood we used to have this kind of business. My father and mother, they planted sugar cane, and we did also this sugar production back in Manila.
So, are you enjoying the scenic view?
Yeah, actually it's very nice to come here and fresh air. Okay, and this greeneries is very really how do you call that one? Stress relief.
Correct.
Yeah. So
Total serenity, huh?
yes, it's very nice view. Very nice view. It is really like village type, but very, how do you call that one? It's far from the city, so
Yeah.
you can just enjoy quietness.
Yes, actually we are in the remote area, friends, and even our mobile signal towers, they are bleak, they are very low in signal. So we thought of coming here, seeing some fields which are more very famous and popular in Punjab region. Thank you for watching our videos, and we thank you for your constant support. We really appreciate for your time, and we promise you in return that we will try our best to make entertaining videos to keep you smile, to keep you laugh, because of course laughter is the best medicine. So guys, from my wife and I, we are so humble and we are so appreciative to you for your time indeed. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you in the next video. Take care. God bless.